If you are a service-connected disabled veteran, then this video is for you. And if you are not one and you know one, make sure you send this to them because I'm about to light up their life. If you do not know who I am, my name is Shamika Saves. Make sure you follow me on all platforms because your girl gives out very good information. It is news that you can use versus giving you the blues, okay? I also want to save you time, aggravation, and money. And this program I'm going to tell you about, you are going to love this. The program is called the VA Foreign Medical Program. And basically what it is it provides you the same access to medical services that you would get right here in the United States, but you can now get it done in a foreign location without having to wait a long time to get in for your appointments like we do here in the States. The reason you haven't heard about this program is because it's usually targeted to individuals who are already overseas, but I am going to show you how to couple it and make it into a great vacation, okay? I'm going to give you 4 things that I need you to do, and I need you to listen up close. The first thing I need you to do is contact the VA. Call them 800-827-1000. And the only reason I'm saying to call is because sometimes it's much faster than waiting and sending in the form and doing it electronically, okay? So 800-827-1000 and ask them for your disability breakdown letter. This letter is, and I'll say it again, disability breakdown letter. But this letter gives the actual medical term of what you are service connected for, okay? And it also gives a medical number that the VA covers this under according to the Code of Federal Regulations that the VA follows. Basically, it's not anything that you have to know, but it is something you have to have so that you can give it to the doctor or the hospital where you're going to get all of your treatment done. The second thing I'm going to need you to do is to send me your email. You can email me at shamikasaves@gmail. If you can't remember that, it's right in my information. But shamikasaves@gmail. Send me your email or send it here on this platform. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you this list of what the VA will reimburse for and what they won't reimburse for, but also my full chat transcript that I have with ChatGPT that probably is going to answer every question that you can think of, but it'll also give you more information about this program because I don't want you just to take my word for it. I want you to actually go and look and see for yourself because, again, I'm giving you news you can actually use. The third thing I'm going to need you to do is to go to Armed Forces Vacation Club. If you guys have not heard of it, you must be a veteran. You do not have to have service connection, but this video is for people with service connection. So if you're just a veteran and you don't have your disability yet, you can still watch this so that you know what you need to do when you are ready to use the foreign medical program. But the Armed Forces Vacation Club, the website is AFV Club, afvclub.com, and you're going to sign up and register yourself because when you go to these foreign locations, I'm going to need you to do it cheaply, okay? The flight may be what usually costs the most these days, and again, now you can easily finance the flight with no problem. But with Armed Forces Vacation Club, you guys get 7 days in the United States or out, but in this case, we're going to be foreign, so we're going to be out of the country, okay? And you can stay in a timeshare, so that means you're going to have bedrooms, some are hotels. You're going to have an actual kitchen. Sometimes these are townhouse-like, sometimes these, they're timeshare, so they're all different types. I love the program. I use them at least 2 to 4 times a year. So I'm well versed with them. You can also be a DOD employee, but right now, again, this video is for my service-connected veterans, but I want everybody to sign up if you're DOD, a veteran, or service-connected veteran, all right? But afvclub.com, sign up there, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna register, but that's where you're gonna find the location that you're gonna stay and book a place to stay while you're there because you can do 7 days in a location, and their foreign locations are actually cheaper than the stateside locations. For 7 days in the US in a timeshare, it's only $399, but if you were to go someplace foreign, it's usually half that price. So it could be $200, $300, so it's very, very cheap. So now we don't cover your housing expenses, okay? The fourth thing I'm gonna need you to do is to make sure that wherever you find that you're gonna go, in whatever country that is, find the hospital that you're going to get your treatment at, and you're going to contact them to make sure that they have experience working with the foreign medical program. If they don't, that's okay, because the VA doesn't have like a network, all right? So if they have experience, that's great. If they don't have experience, you got my whole ChatGPT list. You can also contact the VA and they'll tell you what it is that you need to do. But in a nutshell, all you need to do is make sure that whatever you pay out of pocket, you get a receipt, but the receipt has to be in English so that when you get back to the States, you can put in for your reimbursement, and the VA will reimburse you for whatever expenses that you paid out of pocket for the same services that you get free here. So if you need to get acupuncture, a massage, chiropractic, and all these things are spread months and months apart because they can't get you in. The VA's too booked. You got to drive 3 hours to this place to go get seen. People usually just forego it and say, I'll just do it another time. Now you can actually be on a vacation, get serviced medically, and have fun all at the same time. So all in a nutshell, I basically just told you that you can get all these services done. Okay, inpatient, outpatient, emergency, prosthetics, orthotics, get medication, mental health care, rehabilitative care, physical therapy, diagnostics, testing, lab work, all these things that you've been wanting to do, you just have not had time. Now you can do them. Like I said, get treated, and have a vacation. And you can also bring a +1, okay? So to me, it's a great program. A lot of these places have experience, especially if you go to the Dominican Republic. They do this a lot. They actually have made these into medical tours. So, if you contact a place, that's why you want to ask them if they have experience with this foreign medical program, because sometimes there's perks and benefits, okay? So you can get, like I said, take a nice vacation, get seen, get treated, and let someone, reimburse you for your expenses, as well as stay somewhere very nice, cheap. And now I've just introduced you also to another program, the Armed Forces Vacation Club. So to me, you cannot go wrong. This is win-win all the way around. But please make sure you send me your email so that I can send you this wonderful list of what they will cover and what they won't cover, and all the information that ChatGPT has given me on this program. Okay, so I've already contacted the VA and got my information. I am looking forward to going and getting serviced and getting everything I want done at one time versus waiting months and months apart. So hopefully I'll have some feedback for you on this program. But, again, go and see for yourself, enjoy yourself, get treated, get serviced, and enjoy a nice vacation. So make sure you follow those 4 steps. Very easy. Contact the VA, send me your email, go to Armed Forces Vacation Club and register, and find a hospital that's going to be in the area that you're going to make sure they're experienced, or at least, are willing to give you a receipt so that you can get reimbursed and just enjoy vacation. Okay? So subscribe to me on all my platforms. I appreciate you guys for watching. Talk soon. Bye.